Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a great Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. The vehicle has heated leather seats, mid-vehicle overhead storage, blind spot indicators in the mirror, reverse sensing, adaptive cruise. That's a feature that if you have your cruise control set and someone in front of you slows down, your vehicle automatically slows down and keeps a safe distance until you pass. Comes with a hitch. All our Mini T conversions come with solar, over-the-air antenna that scans for available channels that you get at no cost. 10-speed reversible max fan on the roof. Shore power plug and cord. Everything inside the Mini T can be used even if you're not plugged in though. It has dual house batteries that are separate from the car battery and a 2,000 watt inverter. So that's using that stored power that you get from the sun plugged in or driving and converting it to usable power. Thermostatically controlled refrigerator, microwave, sink, fresh water and gray water, and also a table. It has a couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. Windows in the front are limo tinted. You also get privacy curtain, WeatherTech sunshades, a set of magnetic screens, a portable stove, fuel, check out the full details online, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Ford Transit Connect, even with our conversion, fits in a standard 7-foot garage and gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Happy camping!